Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and in this video, we'll be unboxing Xiaomi's latest phone, the Redmi 6 Pro. Without further ado, let's begin. In the box, we get the phone itself, some paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer, a soft silicone back case, and a charger which comes with 5V and 2A current rating. Giving you a quick physical overview, there is a 3.5mm audio jack, secondary noise cancelling mic and IR blaster on top of the phone. On the right we have the power or wake up key followed by the volume rocker. On the left we have a triple slot or a SIM card tray which comes with 2 nano SIM card slots and 1 micro SD card slot, which is a good thing. On the bottom of the phone we get speaker grill, primary mic and a micro USB port for charging as well as data transfer. On the front we have a 5.84 inch Full HD Plus IPS display which comes with a notch. On the rear of the phone there is Xiaomi's tried and tested dual camera layout with LED flash in the middle, a fingerprint scanner and Mi branding in the middle bottom section. The back is made up of metal and plastic, where the plastic is on top and bottom ends of the back casing. The technical specifications of the phone are right now on your screen. In terms of cameras, the Redmi 6 Pro has a 12MP plus a 5MP setup on the rear with both sensors featuring an f-stop 2.2 aperture. On the front we have a 5MP front shooter with f-stop 2.0 aperture. Here are some sample images we took with this phone, and you tell us how do you find these pictures. This phone ships with Xiaomi's MIUI on top of Android Oreo. It performs decently, and in my opinion, it's an overall balanced offering from Xiaomi. The phone is also priced quite aggressively. You can find the price and availability details at the links provided in the description section below this video. This phone is quite a good value in the budget segment. That sums up our impressions of the Redmi 6 Pro. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. This is all we have on this one. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.